Mastering similes and metaphors. Spice up your descriptions. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of similes and metaphors. These are powerful tools you can use to describe the atmosphere and ambiance of places in a more vivid and imaginative way. So, if you're ready, let's jump right in. Similes are a form of figurative language that compare two different things in order to create a vivid picture in the reader's mind. We usually use the words like or as in similes. For example, let's say you're describing a calm lake. You could say, "The lake was as smooth as glass." This simile creates a clearer and more vivid image in the mind of your listener. Now let's move on to metaphors. These are similar to similes, but instead of saying one thing is like another, a metaphor says one thing is another. It might sound strange, but it's a powerful way to make your descriptions more dramatic and engaging. Using our previous example, a metaphor could be, "The lake was a mirror." Here, instead of comparing the lake to something else, we're directly saying it is something else, adding a stronger emphasis to our description. Describing the atmosphere and ambiance of a place is not just about the physical features. It's about the feeling or mood that place conveys. And this is where similes and metaphors really shine. For instance, if you were describing a cozy, friendly cafe, a simile might be, "The cafe was as warm and welcoming as a grandmother's hug." For a metaphor, you might say, "The cafe was a haven of comfort and warmth." Remember, the key to effective similes and metaphors is choosing comparisons that will evoke the feelings and imagery you want to convey. So that's it, language explorers. We've taken a journey through the world of similes and metaphors. Next time you're describing the atmosphere or ambiance of a place, remember to employ these tools. They can help you paint a much more vivid and engaging picture, making your descriptions truly stand out. Keep practicing and you'll master these skills in no time. Thanks for joining us and see you in the next video.